Hi Erasmus users! In today's video, I'll be showing you how to utilize generative text in your session note templates. One thing I'd like to mention is that AI capabilities within Erasmus are a feature which manager level users can choose to enable or disable. So please first check your user privileges to ensure that you have enabled these AI capabilities. Right now I am logged in as a manager level user on Erasmus. What I'll want to do from here is use my left-hand side navigation menu and click where it says Settings at the bottom. Next, I'll click Templates, and then I'll click Notes. For the purpose of today's demonstration, I will just be selecting a current session note template and show you how to add a custom field for generative text to that current template. First, I'll click into the session note template that I want to add that custom field to. And then I'll scroll down, and let's say I want to add that custom field here where it says session summary. I'll leave my cursor right there and scroll back up to the toolbar. On the toolbar, I'll click here where it says Add Custom Field. And now you'll see I can use this drop-down menu to select my field type, and this is where you'll want to make sure you make the selection for generative text. So let's click that. From here, you can give it a title. And you can choose to add a hint as well. Here it says the hint will be shown to the user to help complete this field. That is totally optional, however. And over here, you would add the types of information that you want generative AI to pull from your session. So this could include things like the data that was collected. You can also add instructions if you want it to omit specific data. And you can also give it prompts on how many sentences you want the session summary to be. And you may also want to consider noting that you want the session summary to be objective. But please visit our knowledge base for more information and ideas. Below, you'll see we have these two checkbox selections. And below that, you can select whether or not you want to make this a required field, as well as whether or not you want to save this field to your library for reuse in other session note templates. Now, once you have all of this completed, you'll click Save. And now we go back down to our session note template. At the bottom, you'll see that that custom field gets pulled right in. If those are all the edits you wish to make in this specific revision, you'll just go ahead and click Save. And that's how you add a custom field with generative text to your session note templates.